How to remove hyperlink from PDF online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can delete a hyperlink from PDF online. So without further ado, let's get started. So for example, I have this PDF right here, and under this portfolio I have added a link or the hyperlink. If you click on it, that's gonna take me to a different piece. Now to remove this hyperlink, open up a new tab, go to canva.com. So once you are here, now navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, and here you have to click on upload. You could simply click on upload from here too. If you cannot find it here, then on this interface there is an upload button. Click on upload, and here click on upload files, or you could simply drop the content here as well. If you can find it under the upload files from your device, you could do that, but for now I will just drag and drop my PDF file here. So once you have uploaded your PDF file, there you can see under your recent design is your PDF file. Click and open it up. Now you have added this PDF file in Canva. Now to delete this hyperlink, navigate to the text field where you have added the hyperlink. Here you can see there is this hyperlink added. Now to edit that, click on this three dot icon next to it, and here go to edit link. Once you're here, now click on delete. Now the link has been deleted. Here if you zoom in, there's a small horizontal line here. If you want to delete that, you can simply drag this text box, click on this line, and then click backspace key. There you go. Now the line has been deleted. Here you can simply drag this back to your document again. And now you could save this PDF file. Click on the share button in the top right corner, and here you have to click on download. Here click on this file type and click on PDF, then click on download. Now once the download is complete, if you go and open up this document again, the hyperlink won't work anymore. If you click on this portfolio, it does not work. So that's it. That's how you can remove hyperlink from document or PDF online. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.